To find out the mileage on your vehicles at an earlier date, first go to Groups Filter, and you can select which of your contracts you want to get mileages for. So let me select this first contract here, and that will isolate it to just that contract. And I'm going to scroll down to Engine and Maintenance, Reminders, Reminder Rules, and I'm going to go ahead and add these vehicles. So from the Reminder Rule Edit screen, you're going to select Vehicles, and here you're going to pull down this tab and just select Visible, and that's going to pull up all of your trucks. So what you can do at this point is you can just go one by one, select the date here, and this is the current mileage for today. But if I select March 1st, you'll see that it actually reflects the mileage for March 1st, and you can go ahead and do that for all of your vehicles. So again, that's the mileage for today, and if you select March 1st, it's going to give you the mileage for March 1st. If you need the mileage for February 1st, there it is. Now I just want to point something out. I'm going to go back to the Vehicles tab here. If you see that there are some messages next to the vehicle names, so for example, this vehicle here was disconnected or is not communicating since February 10th, that vehicle's mileage data will now be accurate after that date because it hasn't communicated since then. The other thing you want to do is where it says show, just list active vehicles, so you're not going to see any historical vehicles. So when you're going through that list that I showed you a minute ago, just make sure that you are aware of vehicles that are not communicating, because that odometer information is not going to be accurate. The rest of these vehicles that don't have any message next to them should be fine.